In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create product add-ons for your Shopify store. Product add-ons are extra items or options you can offer alongside a main product, like gift wrapping, accessories, or bundles. They're a great way to increase your average order value and give customers more flexibility when shopping. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step, so you can follow along even if you're new to Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Click on that search bar, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Apps. In the search field, type Product Add-ons and press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the Shopify App Store with search results related to product add-ons. From the results, look for an app called EPA Easy Product Add-ons and click on it. This will open the app's information page where you can read more about its features and pricing. When you're ready, click to install the app and follow the installation prompts Shopify provides. Once the app is successfully installed, it will open the EPA website, which is the app's own dashboard. On this dashboard, you'll see a card at the top labeled as the first step. On that card, click the Go to Theme Editor button. This will open your Shopify theme editor in a new view. In the theme editor, look at the left-hand panel and make sure that the add-on speed-up option is enabled. This is important to ensure your add-ons load correctly on your storefront. After enabling it, click Save at the top right of the screen. Then, on the left panel again, click Manage App to go back to the EPA dashboard. Back on the website, you'll see a second step card. Here, choose where you want the add-ons to appear, on the product page, the cart page, or both. Select the option that best fits your store's experience and click Save if you make any changes. Next, in step 3 on that same dashboard, click Create Add-ons next to Product Add-ons. You'll see a field labeled Master Product. Click inside this field and start typing the name of the main product you want to attach add-ons to. When it appears in the search results, select it. A new field will appear for add-on products. Click that field and type the name of the product you want to offer as an add-on, then select it from the search results. You can repeat this process to add more than one add-on product if you like. When you're happy with your selections, click Save. Wait for the page to reload. After it finishes, you'll see a View on Store button. Click that and wait for your online store to load. It will take you directly to the product page you set as the master product. You should now see the products you selected showing up as product add-ons, ready for your customers to choose and add to their cart.